Hey everybody, this is a 2007 Acura RL. I'm going to show you how to put in a wheel stud without using any special tools, just using whatever your hand tools are, and you should be able to put it in without any problems. This is going to be the same for many cars. This is an Acura RL. Most of the brake setup is like this. But in some cars though, you'll have to remove the wheel bearing, and that's a pain in the ass, like the whole hub assembly, to do that because there's not a lot of room to work on it. But this one, you're able to do it. There's a lot of room to work around it. So first step to remove the wheel stud, the first thing, I already replaced this one, right? This is the one that was the bad one, and I replaced it with this new one, but I thought I'd make a video about it real quick. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Very simple. Get a garden variety hammer, whack it really hard. Like, let's say if this is the one you don't want, whack this really hard and it's going to come right out. So just fish it out through the back, and then once you put the new one in there, it's going to be like so I'm just going to experiment with this. Just got to fish it in there and then twist it and turn it until it comes out of the hole like this. And then all you got to do is get a wrench like this, just for like so it could be used as a spacer, so you don't damage the threads on that. You basically put it like that, and then basically you got to use a air gun, or a air impact tool would be a lot better, or if you have the high battery powered impact, it's better. I don't have either. I have this one here. It's not as strong enough, so I couldn't get it done with this one here. So what I had to do was I had to use this breaker bar, and I kind of fished it, and I kind of set it up in a way. Show you real quick. It's hard to do it with the camera on there. Then I would use my lug nut, just screw it on there like that, make it all the way tight. It's gonna be stopped by this. Then I'm gonna try to use my breaker bar and use it manually without any impact or any electronic or air impact, because I don't have those things. And I would tighten it as much as I can until it's going to be flush. As you can see there, it matches the other ones. So that's something that I was able to do with very limited amount of tools. I hope this really helps you guys out there. Please like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna try to post as many tips as I can to make your DIY a little easier. Thank you guys. Have a good one.